Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Vision Gran Turismo and this is by Majorette. This is from their mainline series and let's open it. So I bought it for 170, yeah, but the MRP is 179. So let me unbox this and see how this one looks because I didn't buy any mainlines by Majorette this year because of the reduced detailing and the quality. So I bought this one because it's a very new casting. So I wanted to see how this one looks. Because the older ones which they are releasing right now, I do have those casting in a very, from 2022, 2023, 2024, even 2025 a little bit. So those are really good. It has acrylic headlights and all. But this one I don't have any version, so I bought it. So you can see the headlight details are painted now. These are not acrylic, and you can see the Nissan logo here. It is a bit messed up, but it is there, and it has this grill detailing here that is really good, and so it has taillight detailing as well. So it's I don't know if they painted on same color. So the taillights are protruding out, but I'm not seeing any paint on top of it. Maybe because it is supposed to be red color, they left it as it is. It seems. You see the Nissan logo here, and the car looks a bit crazy, but okay, the body is fully metal, the spoiler is plastic, chassis is plastic, the chassis doesn't have any detailing to it. I'm not sure about the actual car how it looks, and the rims are actually really nice. I personally love the set of rims. It does suit really well with this particular casting. So let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension either. Okay, they took suspension also from mainlines. Okay, I didn't know that. I need to see on some other castings whether they took the suspension out of main lines now. Okay, so it has a little bit of paint issue here as you can see. But again, it's specific to mine, not might not be on yours, so don't worry on that. So it has some interior detailing to it. I don't know why they actually blacked it out this time. They usually won't do this kind of things, but maybe cost cutting, I guess. It's too much, guys. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It's really disappointing to see some of your favorite brand, goes into shit. Okay, 32 grams. Okay, not bad. So I'm pretty sure this is not going to roll in the track, but let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. It doesn't even move. Even here, I need to push it with this much force to let it roll. See, the wheel could have been a little bit bigger so that it looked really nice, but it feels a bit smaller compared to the entire body of the car. So this more specifically the front wheel, you can see here, it doesn't even look straight. It feels a little bit tilted on this side. Yeah, this side looks okay, but still it is supposed to feel a little bit more of this arches. Okay, with that said, let me rate this casting. So it doesn't have a taillight detailing here. At least it doesn't look like it is having anything. So I'm taking 0.5 for that. So apart from that, so right now this became major standard. I mean, if that is the case, then I can't able to reduce any point. Removing suspension and all these things. But yeah, right, I know this is a major standard now, like painted headlights. So we need to change the rating based on that. So because it has the detailing now, I can't reduce any point. But here I am reducing 0.5. So 9.5 out of 10 for this. But I'm not giving it wholeheartedly. I'm just giving half-heartedly. So 9.5 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video hit the thumbs up button. If you don't mind, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.